Hello arbitrageurs! In this video I will show you the best cryptocurrency arbitrage tool and show you how to get free access, as well as what types of subscriptions there are and how to use them. So watch the video until the end. It will be super interesting and useful for those who are engaged in cryptocurrency arbitrage. Like, share with friends, write comments, and we're off! In this video, of course, we're going to talk about an arbitrage scanner. I'll tell you why you need to use it, show you its features, and explain why this is the best service for cryptocurrency arbitrage. First of all, I'll show you how to get free trial access. You can get a trial access absolutely for 1 day, use it, try it out, do some arbitrage, and if you like everything, buy a subscription, keep using it, and earn cash. Why do you need trial access? So you can get familiar with the interface and the features that will be available to you from the start. So how do you get trial access? Go to the Arbitrage Scanner website, follow the link in the description, and head to the main page. Here, you get 1 day for free. Click here and you'll be redirected to the Telegram bot. Press the start button. Next, you need to subscribe to the official Arbitrage Scanner Telegram channel to get free access. Click on the Telegram channel. I'm already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. Here you'll find the best information on crypto arbitrage, new features, and case studies. It's a very interesting Telegram channel, so I highly recommend subscribing. Click to verify your subscription. Thank you. Your subscription has been confirmed. Now we need an email for registration. So send a real email address where you can receive a message. I've already created an email specifically for this video, so let's send it here. Alright, I'm sending the email and now confirming that yes, this is our email. Since our account isn't registered, the bot will automatically register us and send all the login details to our email. Great! Registration is complete. Now we can go to our email and get our login details for the Arbitrage Scanner account. So by going to the email, we take our credentials, that is, our login is our email, and we take the password that was sent to us. Let's go to the Arbitrage Scanner and enter these details. I've already entered the credentials, so let's log into our account and see what's available to us. Now it says that our subscription is active until the 18th, meaning we have a 1-day promo business plan. Let's take a look at what's here. We can go to arbitrage products and enter futures arbitrage. Unfortunately, since you don't have a subscription, you can't view arbitrage opportunities. So let's go to the Arbitrage Scanner. There, you'll be able to see spreads and earn money. Here we see the tokens that have a spread. It shows the exchange where you should buy, the exchange to which you should transfer and sell these tokens. The spread will also be displayed. Look, right now there are some pretty good deals here, recent ones at 1, 1.37, 1.23 and 1.1%. So you can take these kinds of simple, straightforward deals. You have 5 deals here that you can arbitrage accordingly. Absolutely free, without paying anything. You also can change the settings, because you have a trial free subscription. But at the very least, you can try out how the interface works and see how everything is displayed here. So once again, this is inter-exchange arbitrage. We buy cheaper on one exchange, transfer to another exchange and sell at a higher price. For example, between Gate and Binget, Gate and MEXC, Gate and MEXC. And so accordingly, you can take a look, everything is displayed here. Again, everything is intuitively clear. It's written in such a way that any beginner who visits this service will immediately understand what to do. And in order to do arbitrage, of course, you need accounts on different exchanges. You can just click right here and it will take you to the exchange where you can immediately create an account, complete KYC and start doing crypto arbitrage. You also have access to the funding rate. You go here and click on funding rate. Here you can view the spreads between fundings. That is, we see the maximum spread displayed, the exchanges where this spread exists are shown, and accordingly we can take advantage of it. For example, on this token we have a spread of 0.77. Look, between the MEXC exchange and MEXC the spread is negative, minus 0.76, while on LBank the spread is positive. So what do? On MEXC we open a long position because the spread is negative. Accordingly, shorters pay longers. And on LBank we open a short position, and since the funding is positive, longers pay shorters. When the funding is charged, we close the trades and take the profit that we accordingly collected from the trader. On our channel we have case studies and reviews of funding arbitrage trade show to do it correctly, how to enter a trade and how to take profit. So go to our channel Cryptocurrency Arbitrage, open the playlist tab, and here you'll see funding formats, spot plus futures, inter-exchange cases and combinations. I've organized everything into playlists so it's convenient for you to go in, immediately check out the cases and instantly see the strategies and how it all works. Here you'll find spot plus futures and various other funding formats. Accordingly, you can also earn on funding, and all of this is shown here as well. So check out the videos on our channel, there's a lot of extremely useful content with trade breakdowns. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. They've also launched their own AI assistant. You have 5 free requests, you can send it absolutely any information, ask it any questions, even about how to do arbitrage. It will help you enter a trade, explain anything you don't understand, so make use of it. Now you have your own crypto analyst who can help you with any questions about cryptocurrency and crypto arbitrage. There's also a training cases tab. Here you can go through training. For example, there's a beginner's course on introduction to futures arbitrage. It covers how it works and how to make money from it. So take advantage of it. Guides have already been written for you on the website. Just go in, learn, and start earning with crypto arbitrage. And now let me show you what features are available in the full version. Right now we have a business promo subscription for 1 day as a trial. But what do we get access to if we purchase a subscription? What features are available there? Let's go, I'll show you. I have a platinum subscription on my main account. which I use for arbitrage. Look, there's futures arbitrage, which wasn't available to me in the trial version. I'll show you here now, accordingly. Here, it's already available to us. Here, it shows the profit that you earn. For example, trades with 6%, 121, 137 on futures, spot plus futures arbitrage, or futures plus futures. You can do that here. Look, we select the maximum profit, minimum profit, choose the exchange where we want to arbitrage, select the trade amount, choose the white list of currencies, that is the currencies we want to arbitrage, and the black list of currencies that we don't want to arbitrage. You can set the lifetime, the strategy. Here are different strategies: futures plus futures, futures plus spot, spot plus futures. Spot plus futures is one of my favorite strategies. With this strategy, we need to buy the token on spot for a certain amount, let's say for 500 bucks, and short for 500 bucks without leverage. Accordingly, we should be in a delta neutral position, and since the spot is priced lower and the futures are priced higher, the futures always tend to move toward the spot price. When the prices converge, we close the trade and lock in the profit. This is a very delta neutral strategy, extremely simple and currently very popular, which we can use to make money. Accordingly, here we see the trades displayed. The coin is shown, the exchange for buying Poloniex is shown, and the exchange for selling where we need to short is also displayed. And the spread that we will capture is also shown. There's also the trading volume, and even the funding rate is displayed, showing how much we can earn from funding. That's good. The interface is clear and understandable for beginners. Everyone will be able to figure it out here. The arbitrage screener here is for regular spot arbitrage. That is, you buy cheaper on one exchange, transfer to another, sell at a higher price, and take the profit. Look, here we have a lot more trades displayed. This is not a test version, this is already the full version. 12% spread, 11% spread, 9% spread. It shows the exchange where you need to buy and the exchange where you need to transfer and sell. The withdrawal networks are also displayed. So make sure they are the same, the fee is low, and the networks are open. There are also various settings here that you can customize for yourself. Exchanges, transaction amount, spread, profit, withdrawal and deposit networks, currency list, deposits, whether they are open or closed. Everything is intuitively customizable to your preferences. You can also set up notifications to a Telegram channel and receive alerts about spreads directly in your Telegram channel. Well, that's super convenient. And no other scanner has this feature yet. You can also configure the scanner for arbitrage. You will receive notifications for a specific coin. You can set up the DEX scanner for DEX tokens and DEX exchanges to catch arbitrage opportunities as well. Here, you can configure everything, choose the exchanges, select how you want to receive signals, and pick the tokens you want to hunt for arbitrage. All of this is customizable here. Funding rates are of course available. They are available to absolutely everyone. For example, with RS, this RSS3 token, the spread is already 1% right now and you can take advantage of that. This is a completely delta neutral strategy. You open a long position on one exchange and a short on another, and you collect the difference in funding rates. You also have access to wallet analysis. If you are deeply involved in analysis, you can do all of that here as well. Analysis, search by filters, there's a lot. If I were to go through every tab, it would take an entire video. The AI assistant is also available to you. You can ask it different questions and it will answer you and help you figure out anything you don't understand. There are also training cases here. You can go in, take a look and learn. If you don't understand how something works, again, you can find answers to your questions here. I also have a secret promo code, which I'll leave in the description. And with it, you'll get 30% more days added to your subscription. By the way, they've improved the starter subscription. Now, with the starter subscription, you have access to arbitrage on 21 exchanges. Spot arbitrage, where you buy cheaper, transfer and sell at a higher price. Here is a typical inter-exchange arbitrage. Now it's fully available with the starter subscription, so you can use it. An AI assistant is also available, which will help you out. Why did I choose Arbitrage Scanner? Because it's the best tool in terms of price to quality ratio. You get a tool, let's say a shovel, that shows you the spreads. You don't need to search manually. Those who have tried searching manually, for example, through CoinMarketCap or by some other means for spreads, know that it's inconvenient, it takes a lot of time, and the spreads there are just tiny. You waste a ton of time and get nothing in return. And the scanner automatically gives you the spreads, shows you the exchanges where you need to go to buy, the exchange where you need to transfer and sell, funding rates, spreads, withdrawal and deposit networks. You can arbitrage on DEXs and CX. There's also an AI assistant. Then there's wallet analysis, sentiment analysis, training, and all of this is in a single tool for a price that honestly should be much higher. And you get a complete set of tools for crypto arbitrage. There's no better tool out there. I've tried different tools and right now there's nothing better on the market than the Arbitrage Scanner. This is the best shovel for digging cash straight into your pockets. So the link to the Arbitrage Scanner will be in the description. Dive in, give it a try, take a free trial day, try buying subscriptions, try arbitraging. On my channel there are tons of educational cases and tutorial videos on crypto arbitrage. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Definitely share with your friends, use the promo code that's also in the description, and I wish you profits in crypto arbitrage. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye everyone.